In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 settings not opening after update. Method 1. Terminal as admin. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Paste the first command in here and press Enter. I have mentioned the command in the description. From there, you can copy-paste in here. After running the first command, paste the second command in here and press Enter. Method 2. Registry Editor. Right-click on Windows icon and select Run, type regedit, and click OK. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in the location. I mentioned it in description. You can copy-paste the location in here. If you see NoControlPanel entry in here, simply right-click on it and select Delete. Now click on Windows icon and check your settings open up or not. And here you can see it's working. So that's how you can fix Windows 11 settings not opening after update. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.